Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Tlauncher and Java are up to date. This prevents auth errors. Once done, open Tlauncher and select the authentic profile because it supports Microsoft OAuth. You need a real Microsoft account ready. If you don't have one, create it on a phone or browser now. Then click the Log in with Microsoft button inside Tlauncher. This launches a webflow. You will leave the launcher temporarily to grant permissions, and that step is required for proper account linking. When the browser opens, sign in with the Microsoft account you prepared. This is how Mojang accounts link to an Xbox Live identity. Make sure you accept the permission prompts. Tlauncher needs a token to authenticate. If the browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, enable them so the OAuth can complete. Otherwise, the token won't reach Tlauncher. Once you see the success confirmation, go back to Tlauncher, which will automatically receive the token and update your session. This is the critical middle step that finalizes access. To finish, choose the authenticated account in Tlauncher, set the Minecraft version, and click play. The launcher uses the OAuth token to start the game. If the login fails, clear your browser cache and cookies, then repeat the Microsoft sign-in. Stale cookies often block token exchange. Also confirm your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Tlauncher or the browser redirects. If problems persist, try another network or mobile tethering to rule out ISP blocks. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most stuck logins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.